walking 5/7 of his usual speed rate, a boy reaches his school 6 minutes late. Find his usual time. So he is not walking to his full extent, full capacity. That's why he is late. Okay. Now they are asking us to find out find his usual rate, find his usual time to reach school. So we need to find out that. Okay. So like the boy is not walking to his full capacity. He is walking 5/7 of his usual rate. That is understood fact. Okay. So since he is walking less than his capacity, he is late. So now, since the boy walks 5/7 of his usual speed, you know, if the work done ratio is 1/2, the time taken is 2/1, correct? That means there is an inverse relationship between work done and time taken. If that means if you are more efficient, that means if I take here work done ratio, that means if you are if you are 2 times efficient, then you will take half the time, correct? If you are more efficient, you will take half the time. If you take half the time, that means you are more efficient. So if you are walking 5/7 of your usual rate, this is the work done, this is the work done ratio. That means you are not walking to your full capacity. Your time taken would be more, correct? 7/5, correct or wrong? 7/5 of usual time. So this is work done ratio, this is time ratio. Now what is the extra time you have taken? The extra time you have taken is 6 minutes, correct, to reach the destination. So extra time is equal to 7/5 minus 1. 7/5 minus 1 of usual time. Why 1? Why 1? Why I am subtracting 7/5 minus 1? Yes, Jeevana, any answer? Hello? Yes, Jeevana. Hello? Jeevana, can you hear me? See, one is nothing but the exact like what we say point. Okay, when I speak about fractions, 1 is the total. Always when I speak about any fraction, the sum of the fraction should always be equal to 1. If any fraction is greater than 1, that means something is wrong here. So why the things are wrong? Since he is walking at a lesser speed, he would take more time. That means he is going beyond this perfect 1. He is going beyond this perfect 1. Okay. So now extra time is nothing but the usual time is taking minus 1. So I will write it here, 7/5 minus 1 of the usual time is equal to 6 minutes. Okay. Now what are they asking us to find? The usual time to reach the school. Let us find that. So now here 5 of the usual time is equal to 6. Usual time is equal to 6 into 5/2. So that is how much? 15 minutes. He takes usually 15 minutes to reach the school. Just do this. I'll go for the next question. Okay, let's do the next question. Let's do the next concept of actually. Okay, now let's go for the next concept. Please listen, all of you. So I'm giving you a question right now. I'm giving you like some concept. Please apply your skills. Okay. Distance covered is different. This is the heading. So now how the question would come, please understand. Let the body, let the moving body at speed v1 covers a distance d1 in time t1, and at speed v2 covers a distance d2 in time t2. Then, so some body is moving with speed v1, it is covering a distance d1 in some time t1, and the same body, okay, let the body moving at, or let the moving body, see here we are discussing about some car, some bus, some scooter, anything you can take into consideration, anything. So let the moving body at some speed v1 covers a distance d1 in time t1, and the same body at speed v2 covers a distance d2 in time t2. Then let's take distance box. Speed box, time box. So you know d1 is equal to v1 t2 and d2 is equal to v2 t2. Please try to understand these relationships, because distance is equal to, sorry, this is v1 t1, distance is equal to speed into time, and distance d2 is equal to speed into time. Okay, this is the distance box. Speed box, speed is equal to distance by time. Time box, so time is equal to distance by speed. So these are the three boxes you should remember. Now based upon this concept, we will do one question. So all of you make a note of this. I'm writing a question. And all of you should solve with this and give it to me. Okay, do this question. Okay, so I'm not getting an answer from any one of you. Let's do this question. So a car is traveling with a car travels for how much time? As per the question, the car is traveling for 11 hours. Correct? Now, and out of this it travels 100 kilometers at a certain speed, and then increase its speed by 15 kilometers per hour to cover the remaining 280 kilometers. Okay, find the time it takes to travel the span of 280. So the distance here given is 280 kilometers, correct? And car is traveling for how much time? 11 hours. Out of this 11 hours, it travels 100 kilometers at a certain speed. So till 100 kilometers, the speed what they travel is like some speed, and they increase the speed by 15 kilometers per hour, correct? So they increase the speed by 15 kilometers per hour to cover the remaining 280 kilometers, the leftover. Correct? Correct or wrong? Oh my god, this is not 280 then. This is remaining 280. So this may be total 380. Yes. All of you understood the question. A car is traveling for the total time of 11 hours. Out of this, it travels 100 kilometers at certain speed. We don't know that. And I think we should not bother about that because we know the speed box formula very well. Speed box formula is what? D1 T1 by D2 T2. Why I am saying about this formula, you will understand very shortly. And then they increase the speed by 15 kilometers per hour to cover the remaining distance of 280 kilometers. So I am just putting that formula here. You please understand. See, to you V1 minus V2 is given, correct? All of you, please tell me, did you understand what I am saying? To you, the difference in speed is given or not? Please tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
all of you.
Yes, sir.
They have given the difference in speed, yes? Yes. So what is the formula for V1? D1 by T1 minus D2 by T2 is equal to 15. What is the distance? Like if I take this distance 280, what are they asking? Find the time it takes to travel a span of 280, correct? So this is what they're asking, the time here, the time taken to travel this particular distance of 280 from here to here. But we know the total time. If the total time is 11 hours, so this is how much? 11 minus t. Correct or wrong, all of you? See, this is the total distance. Till 100, they are traveling at some speed. And we don't know the speed, okay? And after that, they change the speed and increase the speed by 15 kilometers per hour, and they traveled more 280 kilometers. The total time they are traveling is 11 hours. The question says find the time taken to travel this stretch of 280 kilometers. So I'll take that t. If I take this stretch as t, this is 11 minus t. It's understood fact. Okay. So I'll put all these things here. D1, my distance 1, I'll just take 280 by the time is t, minus D2, that is 100 kilometers. Time 2 is 11 minus t, 15. Now you find out the t value. Come on, all of you, and tell me what is that answer. I'm waiting. Okay, you solve. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Yes, what is the answer? All of you? Can't you solve a simple equation and tell me the t value? Okay, I'm giving you some options here. At least you try to solve. So option A 6, option B 8, option B 7, option D 9, option E 6.5. So what we can do here is Just let's take the option number C and try to prove LHS is equal to RHS. Why I am taking option number C? Why? Because 280 happens to be 7 happens to be a factor of 280, because 7 fours are 28. So things would become easier for you. That you should have that sixth sense in the examination to apply what kind of number. Okay. 280 by 7 gives you 40, minus 100 by 7 is like 4, so 25. 40 minus 25 is 15. So this is the answer. So 7 is the answer for you. 7 hours. Okay. This stretches 7 hours. This is 4 hours. All of you finish this. I'm going to give you next question. Come on, fast. Okay, take the next question. Okay, do this question fast. Yes, what happened? No one is giving an answer. No one is like, what are you doing actually? So make a diagram here and appropriate concept. I've given the boxes also. A car travels a distance of, this is the distance it travels, 170 kilometers. Okay. And it is taking 2 hours. In 2 hours, actually, it's traveling 2 hours to cover 170 kilometers. And partly at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour and partly 50 kilometers per hour. So things are very clearly given. So this 170 kilometer stretch, which is traveled in 2 hours, okay, is traveled in two different speeds. Find the time traveled at a speed of 100 kilometer per hour. So there are two speeds. So what we can say, like some part they are traveling at the speed of 50 kilometer per hour and some part of this they are traveling at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour, and they're asking find the time traveled at a speed of this. So they are asking to find t, correct? So this is what they want. So previously also we did t, now also we found out t, now also we will find out t, but now the things would change. How the things would change, please understand. In this particular problem, they have given speed and they have given distance and they are asking us to find out time. In the previous example, they gave us distance and time and they gave difference in speed. Okay. So when they gave different distance and time, we use the concept d1 by t1 and d1 d2 by t2. Here I will write d1 by t1 minus d2 by t2 is equal to v. We use this concept. This is nothing but d1 by t1 is v1, d2 by t2 is v2. V1 minus v2 was given to you. In this question, what is given? 170 kilometers. So can I say they have given d1 plus d2 is equal to 170? Please tell me yes or no, all of you. Yes, they have given. So what is the formula for distance? Distance is speed into time, correct? So we will take v1 t1 plus v2 t2 is equal to 170. Now what is the v1 speed? So speed 1 is how much they have given to us. They have given, suppose we are taking this speed, this stretch, which is traveled at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. So we'll take 100 into the time here we are supposed to find as t plus v2 50. And here if this total is 2 hours and this is t, so this will be 2 minus t, correct? Correct or wrong? Yes. So 2 minus t is equal to 170. Now, please find out the value of t and tell me what that is. Come on, do this. Do this fast. Yes, I want answer. See, I'm doing every bit here, but you people are not giving any answers to me. Why like that? Why can't you solve one equation and tell me t value? 100 minus 50 is 50t. 50t is equal to 70. T is equal to 70 by 50. 7 by 5 hours. That's it. Do this. Why you people are not doing anything? I don't understand what's the problem. Just you want to copy and finish it off. Okay, let's do next question. Okay, like we need to do more, we need to take some more like questions. So like I will give you two questions as homework. Try to solve. Okay. Actually, today also like I have somewhat dizziness. So like I am planning to take a session from 10 between 10 to 1 tomorrow. Okay. So morning I have a class from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I will finish that. 9 to 10 again I have. I think I can take the class for you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay, be ready for the class. I'll take from 9 to 11 tomorrow. Be ready. So in this 9 to 11, I will finish time and distance. This will be done. Evening also I will take 1 hour. Okay. So my plan to take tomorrow in the morning is maths. So I will finish time and distance. Then I will start one more chapter. Uh, we will do boats and streams. That is also a part of time and distance. So time and distance tomorrow we will finish. Boats and streams tomorrow we will finish. 101% without fail. Tomorrow the class is at 9 a.m. At any cost, be ready for the class for all of you. Okay. And boats and streams, this is one chapter. Time and distance tomorrow I will wind up, and I will also take calendars tomorrow. Calendars is a very good chapter. It is a reasoning topic come mathematics topic, both the things it covers. So we will take tomorrow time and distance, boards and streams, and calendars in the morning session. Evening we will take syllogism, reasoning. Okay. Today actually like I am having somewhat more dizziness because of the vaccine reaction. So please be ready for the class tomorrow. This 1, 2, 3 topics I am going to take tomorrow new. Okay. Thank you all of you. I am not giving any homework. You just finish the previous tasks which are given to you. Okay. Tomorrow you'll be having lot of work to do because 4 topics will be done tomorrow. So Sunday also you'll be busy. So today you wind up the old topics. Tomorrow I will take the class in the morning 9 o'clock. Okay. Be ready for the class at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Thank you.